Hello, I wanted to very briefly show you how GeoEnable for ArcGIS works. GeoEnablement is an enabling data which is not in a GIS to be viewed and worked with in a viewer like you're looking at on the screen here. So what are you looking at here? You're looking at data that's being pulled both from ArcGIS, and that's server, online or portal, and from a non-GIS relational database. So the layers we've got here, we've got a base map layer, which is a vector layer. We've got a point layer, which is actually a feature layer in ArcGIS, so that's an editable feature layer. And we've got these other icons on the screen which are actually being pulled from the relational database. Now this could be pulled from any non-GIS system. So it could be CityWorks, it could be Acquire in the mining industry, it could be SAP, it could be any other system that is not fully integrated on the back end with a GIS. So this is a very simple way to integrate that data and to work with that data. The application you're looking at is a demo application just to show you the capabilities of what GeoEnable for ArcGIS does. At its core, GeoEnable for ArcGIS is actually a JavaScript library. So this is a web application, and this is a web application which is integrating those data sets. What's really truly powerful about GeoEnable for ArcGIS is not only the ability to integrate and to use GIS services against this non-GIS data, but most importantly, this actually works offline. So if you needed to go out into the field and work with two different data sources, data coming from ArcGIS and from your business information system or relational database, this works. So let me just show you that function very quickly. First of all, here are the attributes from being pulled from that relational database. So it's a point, so it has an XY coordinate. It could be a region, it could be an address, but in this case it's an XY. So we've placed that exactly where that data was collected from, and then this is from the feature service as well. So this is all data that is being pulled from these different sources. So let's go offline. Now what you'll notice here is the back tiles have disappeared. So we're no longer calling over the data over the internet to pull that data back in. We're now using a database on the device. And as you can see, I've actually stored some of the tiles for the vector base map on the device itself. Of course, we've got the other data, the feature service and the non-GIS data stored in the database as well. So we can continue to work with that data, view the data, edit the data, do what we want with the data in full offline mode. We can toggle that imagery as well. So we've actually not only have we saved the vector base map tiles, but we've also got satellite imagery as well. So this is a really new and fascinating way to work with your data in both online and offline modes. It integrates not only your GIS data, but data that's being pulled from different systems. And again, we're using a library, which is a web-based library, a JavaScript library, to store all that data on local databases. Thanks for watching.